Welcome to C49HockeyBreaks, box break number 167, and today I've been asked when there would be another cup break on the channel, so here we go. We got a tin of 14-15 cup. I believe a while back somebody did say they would like to see a tin of 14-15 cup, so that's what we got today. A year of cup I have not broken on the channel yet, so today 14-15 cup, we have box number 463. Looking for a Draisaitl RPA, I would have to say is the best rookie for 14-15 cup, and a more difficult year to bust into than 18-19 is, so there we go. Older year tins of cup are a lot more difficult to get into. Very nice looking tin, I must say. Been a while since cup has been on the channel. Break 149 was the last one. That was the Eichel Gold RPA. We've got our stack of cards, and we start the break off. Looks like we have a redemption as our next card, but we are starting off with a 203 of 249 base of Arthur's Urbe. .203 of 249 Arthur's Urbe. Let's grab the redemption next. I know Kevin Hayes is a redemption, and Pasternak as well. So it's Kevin Hayes. Kevin Hayes, RPA number 2, 249. That it's probably not going to get much in the raffle redemption, but let's continue on to the bottom. We have another RPA, so at least we got a RPA in the box besides the redemption. Number 167 of 249, Tyler Witherspoon. Nice, nice 3-color patch. Tyler Witherspoon. Continuing down to the bottom, we have a Trios jerseys, number 2 of 25, Ryan Miller, Daniel Sandin, and Henrik Sandin. Trios jerseys. We have a signature renditions, Daryl Sittler. And we finish the break off with a limited logos Leon Draisaitl, number 11 of 50. Two color limited logos Leon Draisaitl. Rookie year limited logos Leon Draisaitl. What a beautiful card. Let's grab a one touch. Limited logos 11 of 50 Leon Draisaitl. Well, folks, that is going to do it for this tin of 1415, the cup break number 167. Do a quick recap. Base 203 of 249, Arthur's Urbe. RPA redemption number to 249, Kevin Hayes. RPA 3-color patch number 167 of 249, Tyler Witherspoon. Trios jerseys number 2 of 25, Ryan Miller, Daniel Sundin, Henrik Sundin. Signature renditions, Daryl Sittler. And the hit of the box, limited logos 11 of 50, Leon Draisaitl. 2-color patch. Gorgeous card. Well, folks, that is going to do it. I gotta say, 14-15 cup. First time on the channel. That was a great tin. Leon Draisaitl, totally making it worth it. I will probably grab another one soon. Great tin of cup for the first one in a while. Very happy with that tin. Yeah, 11 of 50 limited logos Leon Draisaitl. Folks, if you did enjoy that break, feel free to leave a like, comment below, and if you haven't yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We got plenty more box breaks, 6-pack Saturdays, and Sunday uploads to come, so lots of content to look forward to, and hopefully keep the big hits rolling.